SQL Made Easy Webisode 6. In this video, we will learn about in versus not in operator using MySQL. The in operator allows you to specify multiple values in a where clause, while the not in operator is used to exclude a specified set of values in a query. Let's try to understand this with an example. Suppose here we have the employee dataset in front of ourselves where we have the employee ID, employee name, employee department, employee salary and hire date. Suppose I want to retrieve the data of the employees where the department is in marketing and finance. So in that situation, we can use in operator and we can write the query in this way, which will be select star from employees where employee department in marketing and finance, and we will be using the brackets as well as it is mandatory. Also, just to let you know, SQL is not case sensitive. So we will just select the query and click on execute. As you can see, we have retrieved the data of the employees where the department is specifically marketing and finance. Now, suppose I want to retrieve the data where the department shall not be in marketing and finance. So in that situation, we will be using not in operator. We will just mention not in over here in this way. As you can see, we have write the query in this way, which is select star from employees where employee department not in marketing and finance. Except marketing and finance, we will be getting the data for all the other departments. We will just select the query and click on execute. As you can see, the data that we have received does not include the departments which is marketing and finance. Rest other departments are available for us, which are sales, and if there is any other department as well, then definitely we will be able to see that. So in short, we achieved what we were looking for. This is the basic difference between in and not in operator, which is used in MySQL. Want to simplify data analytics with SQL? Follow, like and subscribe for easy tips and insights.